Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So I am a WordPress plugin developer and I sell my plugins on CodeCanyon. And today I want to share something with the students that are watching my videos. So I want to give back to you guys something, and especially for the students who are now learning the cool stuff and they are starting up in life. So I want to share with you something that will boost your maybe income if you use this well. So I want to share with you guys who are students Envato subscription, which is discounted only for you. So if you have a valid email address from your university or from where you are learning, you can click on the link from this video's description and you will go to this page. Here you will be able to enter your student email address I mentioned earlier and click verify. Afterwards you will be able to get a discounted access to Envato Elements. Instead of 1450 euros, only 10 euros. So in dollars this will be around $12, and it will be a lifetime discount. So you can grab access to this if you have a student email address only. So keep in mind, this will work only if you have a student email address. So go ahead guys. Also I will link the student eligible page here, so you can check your eligibility. If you have a student email address, you are enrolled in any accredited educational institution, you have an edu email address or AC or SCH or .school email addresses. So these are the domains that are accepted currently. So go ahead guys, if you have an email address that can be used, go ahead and you will be able to get this discount for Envato Elements for students. So yeah, grab the link from this video's description, enter your student email address and you are good to go for the discount. So yeah, this is all for today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped the students out there, and until next time, over and out. Bye bye.